So I've been in and out for a couple days and I've been moving things around without putting them back. My area currently is a disaster. My sister gave me this desk, which it was previously mine, and I gave it to her. She doesn't want it anymore, so I'm gonna paint it white. Not today. This is like a last minute video that I just decided to record. Nothing fancy, nothing uh interested, I will say. But tonight I'm just gonna organize it and thought I should show you guys. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm done. Um, it was so messy. Okay. So this is it. I just in case you guys want to know, I got those two drawers at Michael's, and the top I got it at Home Depot, and I have them like towards the end because when I sit, I like to have my legs like under the desk, and it's too like narrow there, so I wouldn't fit. Like if I was to put the chair like that, it doesn't fit. So that's why I have them like towards the inside. Um, so this is how it looks. My kids are singing over there, so don't mind. My daughter says she hide chips, but she never told me it was in here. Oh my goodness. She was like, Mom, I hide some chips in your room. Kids these days. Okay, so this drawer, as you can see, is what is this? The insurance to something, but I don't remember to what. So it's just this little bag that I use for my laundry coins. This is my son's, doesn't belong there. And then here I keep my Erin Condren binder, a happy notes. So I started a Spanish channel. I might have a video or two by the time this video goes up. So I started a Spanish budget thing. And let's see how that goes. And then I have this one where I put like all my notes. Well, not my notes, but you know, when I do my budget videos, I like to have like a sketch of how it's gonna go and everything, so I won't forget anything. So I kind of like write it here, and then I'll rewrite it nicely with the stickers and everything on my Erin Condren binder. So that's what I have in this drawer. Let me just go ahead and put it how it was. Okay. And then here, I only have like, this is like notes. I use it for notes. See. And then I have my sticker books. And then in here I have more stickers. And then here it's empty. This is empty. I don't use it at all. I was planning on putting my stickers there, but I haven't had the time to. I don't even know if I'm going to do that. Here, I just have my cutter and some cash envelopes that I never cut. These are too like thin. The craft book, it's like the paper material is like too thin, and I might still cut them and just use them for myself. And these bags are just extra bags that I use for my trash. Here's empty. I'm gonna use this one for my son's homework. And then I have some extra batteries there. And then here, sometimes like once a year, I like to write. So the first time I wrote was on the 16th January. Yeah, 16. And then the last time I wrote was January 19th. And I wrote only like what, 6 pages. This napkin, my daughter, she just lost a tooth and she kept it there. She keeps forgetting to put it in her pillow because tooth fairy. Well, she already knows there's no tooth fairy, but my son does, so she wants to follow it so he doesn't know that there's no tooth fairy. But if he watches this video, he'll know. And then here, I just put this here like last minute. This is my kids' report card. Sorry because of the background. I'm so sorry. These kids are so loud. And then this I keep here like medical cards and all the cards that I don't want to have in my wallet. They're here. My pills in case for headache or for my kids in case they need it. Hard drive. And then here I try to keep some, or I want to start to keep some receipts in case I want to do the long form for my taxes. Here I just keep the leftover of scrapbook. Is it scrapbook? I forgot the word. Anyway, but just keep the leftover. I'm planning on doing the other kind of envelopes, but I haven't had the time. This kind. Sorry. Okay, this kind. I want to try to do these. I made this one, but I haven't really put work into it. So I might use this paper to do those. And then I have these that I have bought on Amazon, which I'm sure I'm never going to use. Here's my laminating paper and my labels. And then here I have some of my budget sheets that I haven't cut. And I have more paper here to start doing some more envelopes. And then on this other little desk, I have my hole puncher for the envelopes, a tiny stapler, my lamp printer. This, I've been having it in my room. I keep saying I'm going to put it on my van and I just keep forgetting. This desk is like a little bit of everything. So I have my whiteout. This one, it's I cut it wrong, so I want to keep it, and all the ones that I cut wrong, I'm gonna keep them, and I want to use them like dividers for later on. I can divide my envelopes. That's what I have on mind. I don't know yet. So I just have some office supplies, markers, extra pens, because these and whiteboard markers for when I go to work. I use those when I go to work. More house supplies, my calculators, a little tripod, and then I have this separate because this is part of the giveaway that I'm doing. And that's it. Some sticky notes, and so I decided to clean my area at nighttime, so sorry for the lighting. That's why I have that one up there. Like, I went to get it from my dad's garage because even my light from my room is not light enough. Like, we use the 60 watts because he says that he doesn't want to pay a lot of light. But anyway, so here are cash envelopes that I finished already. Then here's more. Then here is more. And I keep my washi tape here. And then these are some things. The scale, I think these are the labels for to ship the labels, the shipment labels, however they're called. These are like the thank you stickers, do not bend stickers. And on this one, I have the little plastics where I'm gonna put the envelopes whenever somebody decides to buy some. And then this one, like I said, my sister just gave it to me. It was mine. I don't wanna throw it or get rid of it because I know I'm gonna end up needing it in the long run. So far I just put my books here, which I don't even read anymore. I haven't. Like this one, I don't even know whose it is. This one I have to take to the library. This one was given from one of my teachers last semester. I bought this one, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. I haven't even finished the whole books. I'm like in number 5 or something. This one I bought because I needed it for a class. And yeah. And then I thought it was cute. Like all my change, I usually give it to my kids, but then I saw this one and I thought it was so cute, so I started putting my change there. When they notice, they're gonna be like, "Mom, you haven't gave us our change." Oh well. So that is it. That is it. I'm still haven't had the time to bring down this. That's my router, my extension for my internet, and then that white wire. I'm gonna bring it down since we no longer have cable. We decided to get rid of it because we don't even use cable. Myself, anyone here, nobody watches cable. Everyone is on YouTube or Netflix, Disney. Now the Disney app, whatever, I heard a lot of people talking about it. So why pay cable when nobody's using it, right? So this is it. Some other time I'll show you guys the rest of my room. And I actually want to show you guys how I used to record. Well, I still record. You guys will probably laugh about it, but it's okay. I do not use the desk to record or anything because I don't have good lighting. I just got that light and it's not good enough, I don't think. Usually I use a window, but some other time I'll show you guys how I record. So this is it. I thank you all for watching. And if you are not yet subscribed, please hit that red button down below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.